Mary's chest is simply a treasure trove. Not only can she take out a flamethrower from it, but she can even stuff a 10-meter-long gun into it. Her skirt is filled with countless grenades. She is truly a walking arsenal. However, when she first came to the detective agency to apply for a job, she had to pull out a bunch of stuff from her body before she could find the flyer for hiring assistants. But Johnny immediately refused to hire her. Then they started today's work. His task this time was to find evidence of his client's wife's infidelity. He was doing fine with the stakeout, but when the target entered a couple's cafe, Johnny stopped following her. That's when Mary showed up and agreed to pretend to be Johnny's girlfriend so they wouldn't look out of place. Finally, they sat down in the cafe. Now they just needed to find the evidence of the affair. But Johnny kept staring at the target with a sharp gaze, which soon aroused the woman's suspicion. It was Mary's act of pretending to be affectionate that cleared the doubts. Before long, a man appeared by the woman's side, and they hugged each other right away. All they had to do now was take a photo, and the job would be done. But Johnny actually took out a Polaroid camera and started taking pictures of the woman directly. This immediately made the woman suspicious again. Fortunately, Mary managed to complete the task perfectly by appearing in the photos herself. Mary once again asked to be Johnny's assistant. Although Johnny still refused, he allowed Mary to visit the agency anytime as a token of appreciation. As she left, Mary took Johnny's coat, even repeating Johnny's catchphrase. It seemed like Mary had known Johnny for a long time. A few days passed, and the two of them completed a cat-finding mission together. Only when they turned in the task did they realize they had found the wrong cat, so the little cat became the mascot of the detective agency. Later, Mary painted a promotional poster for the agency, which immediately attracted clients. This time, the task was to remove a beehive, but Johnny refused because he was terrified of bees. That's when he thought of Mary and gave her a call. However, Mary misheard the address and ended up at the headquarters of a Japanese Yakuza gang. She never expected that pest control work would be this hardcore. But after hearing Johnny's encouragement on the phone, her morale skyrocketed. She directly pulled out a flamethrower from her collar, and with a single shot, wiped out the entire gang. The next day, the news reported that the gang had been destroyed by an unknown person. Meanwhile, Mary still had blood on her face. It was then that Johnny realized Mary had done something truly extraordinary.